Ever started hiccuping in class or in front of your crush? Embarrassing, right? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle below your lung, suddenly jerks. This makes your vocal cord snap shut. That is the weird sound hic comes. Here are some common triggers: eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, stress or sudden excitement. So let me tell you scientifically how you can stop it. Try these tricks. Hold your breath for 10 seconds, drink cold water slowly, breathe into paper bag, not in the plastic one, or get distracted. It resets your brain's hiccup reflex. Hiccups usually go away in minutes, but if it is last more than 2 days, go see a doctor. So next time when you get hiccups, you know what to do. So follow for more health body secret.